Hello and welcome to week 13 of English 112 online, Johnson Community College, fall 2019. So we are in the middle of working on our proposal paper, finishing it up, and so because we're just about done with it, we get to introduce the next assignment, woohoo, which is the opinion editorial. You're like, what? Another one? Yeah. Well, there's two other assignments that are coming up. This is one of them. Neither one of these next two are really that as challenging as the proposal paper. Proposal paper by far is the biggest assignment we're doing this whole semester. So just letting you know. All right, so we're going to introduce the opinion editorial assignment, and that actually there's a whole video right there which explains the whole concept of the opinion editorial. So I won't spend a lot of time here doing that, but the assignment itself is right there. Let's go ahead and just click on that. And so basically it's I'll let you kind of read through this. So basically it's a much shorter piece, okay. So again, about 700 to 800 words. Basically you're saying what you did in your proposal paper, but you're doing it in a much shorter way and less formal. All right. But again, I won't spend a lot of time in this video because there's a whole other video that explains the opinion editorial assignment. But that gives you kind of the gist of it. So it's a lot smaller, and it's actually kind of refreshing. A lot of students tell me it's a lot more refreshing after doing the proposal paper. But it's just another way of presenting the information, and I think that's important that we get a chance to do that. All right. So for example of opinion editorials, back in the day when newspapers were a huge thing and we didn't really have the internet, they would have the opinion editorials section of the newspaper. I mean, you can still find those online and stuff. So there's some links that will help you kind of see those, as well as if you go to the sample assignments, you'll see what an opinion editorial looks like. And then the big thing is by the 21st, due by the 21st, you get to submit your proposal paper. And again, you do that by clicking here. And then you have to browse your computer and click on I agree and then upload your paper. And again, how are you going to get graded on this? Well, here's the rubric. Okay, basically all the essay, all the elements. Okay, so the APA, that's the formatting, that's 20%. Basically the organization, remember that remember that outline that we showed you in the actual thing? Well, this is kind of showing you exactly what you need to do. Okay, we do make sure that there are grammar mistakes are basically non-existent. That's why you do the revision. Get some help with that. Contact the Writing Center. Content and research. Okay, so did you actually use quotes? Okay, so you have to have quotes and research to back up your point. And did you use formal academic phrasing? This is like as opposed to using third person. I mean, you need to use third person. You wouldn't want to say, "Oh, I believe and I think." Well, that's not academic. Okay, it's instead of saying, "I believe we should." Okay, I believe medical marijuana should be legalized. Well, just get rid of the "I believe." Medical marijuana should be legalized. Okay, or medical marijuana should not be legalized. Just get rid of the "I believe," and it actually makes it much more formal and academic. So that is the rubric for that. And then you'll post that, and then you'll have, you can breathe a sigh of relief because the biggest assignment's done once you submit the proposal paper. So that's what we're doing here for week number 13, which is on November 14th. And that's what's going on. All right, so go ahead and finish your paper strongly, and then let's just jump right into the op-ed. All right.